Hello, welcome back to another of Cooking in Steven's Kitchen channel. Today we will be making banana bread. So the things you'll need is big fork, a whisk, measuring cups, butter, 2 eggs, 4 bananas, teaspoons, with something, grease pan, baking soda, pan, flour, brown sugar, and 3 bowls. So first, we're going to put the oven to 350 degrees. Start it. And then we get 2 cups of flour. Sorry. That's going. Then teaspoon of baking soda. Just 1 teaspoon, very little. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll be right back. We mix them together just to get the flavor around. Half a cup of butter, and you're gonna put that in a different bowl though. Sorry. Now we're gonna get 3/4 of brown sugar here. Take a while to mix it. So it's gonna take a while. Sorry. So it should end up looking like this. Sticky. So now we're gonna get a small bowl. Put the 2 eggs into there. Sorry. look something like this, just in water, kind of. And now we're going to smush the bananas. So we're going to peel 4 bananas and take them. Into a different bowl. Done! Finally! That took a long time. So it should look like this, just mushy. A little mushy. Now we're going to put our egg, butter, and brown sugar into there. And now we're going to mix it. Mix the banana. That should look like that. And now we're going to pour it into our dough. Just gonna mix it until there's a bit of everything everywhere. So it should look like this. Ooh, it smells like just banana. So take that stuff off So with that, we're done using the whisk for now. Okay, maybe we'll just whisk again. There, should just come down. it around there. So there it should maybe a little less dry than mine. So we take it out there, and you put it in for an hour, and then you can take it out. So it's been an hour now. Sorry. Check if everything's good. So thanks again for watching Cooking in Steven's Kitchen video. Don't forget to subscribe. So here I am cutting the banana bread. Hope yours ends up a little better than mine. It's a little dry. Let's still put it in for 1 hour, and at the end let it cool down for 10 minutes. Not the equally cut slice right there. It's really good. You should try it yourself.